All right, last video of the night. Excuse me. It is Monday, February 1st. Try to do three more stocks here. I think these are some good ones too. I found ASLN. I'm sure people who trade this or know about this. This looks pretty good here. This looks very interesting. 37, almost 38 million float, 82 million market cap. I'm just reading here. What else they do? Clinical stage, immunology, oncology focused on biopharmaceutical company engages in various treatments to transform the lives of patients. They're partnered with Array Biopharma, Bristol Myers Squibb, Almirall, so a lot of different companies. And right here, let's take a look. Yeah, this had a big move to 10 way back in 2018. This thing dropped. Did I have a split? I don't see a split. Excuse me. This went down to 50 cents. Look at this move up. You imagine a move here to here, you're like, oh my God, this is terrible. This went down to like 39 cents. And look at this. Then it goes up to 8. Incredible here. The volume. Then this went back down. Found this one line, bounced back to 250. Look at this 250 line. Found the low. This is a typical pattern here. You come here, low, bounce. The low gets higher. 1, 2, 3. Try it again pretty close. So this is an ascending triangle. You mark your lines right here. Just back and forth, and this is a straight line across the one. But you have the low getting higher. This is a matter of time for it breaks. This is very strong, this pattern. It doesn't have great volume down here. I want more volume out of this. I'm not sure why. See, it does like 230. It does nothing. Very odd. Some stocks just don't get the volume. I'm not sure why. But if this does, this will break 3. If people really jump in this, you'll get 354 right here. Now, those low keeps coming up. This could fall back. This could fall back even to like 170, 175-ish. Right here, that's fine. As long as this low stays intact. So keep watching ASLN. This really spikes. It's looking very good for an ascending triangle breakout. But we went over this one too. MLND. All right, this is a 17 million float. Melinda Therapeutics market cap 38 million. No news recently. It's a late stage biopharma. Orphan endocrine diseases in the United States. And I already had the lines drawn out on this. See this drop from 950? This dropped all the way to 150. You had a staggered bounce all the way to 325. Is that 325? That is, what is this line here? Yeah, about 325, 330. Came down. Look at this back and forth again since May. The longer you stay in the channel, the bigger the explosion is going to be. So this has been in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months. You can almost say a year. A year. And we keep trying. Look at this, 225. You got down. Came right back up. It's like a boxer. You get knocked down. This came right back. No fear here. We went to 225. Now we want to break this 250. 225 to break 250 and then get back to this like 325, 330 zone. You've like a big gap here, just filled it halfway, then came back. We can see the overall chart. Look at this, down, consolidation, back and forth. Consolidation can be months. It can be 3 months, 6 months, a year. This is a matter of time for an explosion here. So keep an eye on this. Good float, 17 million. And, if you're holding a swing here, I think you're looking pretty good. If you're a long-term holder, you're looking really good also. So I think we go here and just explode up. Maybe to 5, too. Eventually 5. If the news is really good on this, something really is hot, they release a news press, you're going to get there. So, this is good. It's a matter of time for this one. MLND, keep that on your radar high, so you can always take a look at it. All right, here's CLBS. $16.67 million float, 38 million market cap. They did a 25 million private placement recently. Biopharma clinical stage, cellular therapeutic. Address conditions caused by eczema. Let's see this one. Yeah, this went all the way to 11 back in 2018. Staggered back and forth, kept going down, bounced to this 350 line and really dropped. Like a lot of stocks that drop in March. Big wash down. Look at that tail put in. That was a beautiful buy. Anyone caught that? Then this bounced to 250. Formed a little triangle here, descending breakup. Yeah, nice little run, and came back down again and touched 125. So 125 has been pretty good. And you can see here 350, because look where it went. It gapped up from 150 with a huge tail, but it fizzled. A filled-in candle comes all the way back, and there's where we finished. So, and then look what it did. The volume just went nowhere. No volume. This isn't a good volume stock either. You got to be aware of that. Look at this. This is more of a spiker. You get one big spike. I don't see like volume building. That's the only thing in this. You got to be careful. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And like I said again, remember the 1320 EMA? Look where it touched. There's no coincidence. It bounced right there, bounced there. It could even come even below this 195. It could put in a tail right here and come back 175. Because look where we happened to be in December, right there. So I would look for a stop at 175, or even maybe to get in 175. It would be a good idea. Look where it's at, 1730 on stochastics oversold. So you can see this happen down, and then start coming up, or a big bounce up to 350. And on this one too, there's no doubt we get the 350 again. No doubt at all. It's just a matter of your time frame and what you're doing. If you're a holder, if you're a long-term holder, or whatever you're looking for in the stock. And they also have, Finviz has July. What was the July move? Where's July? Oh, right here. They have a line right here going up like this. So you have a big move now. See, when you go line to line on that, or the candle, the thick of the body right there. So here, for the wick came down. So that's your range too. That's why this can go up to that, because you have a cross line like this. So there you go. So this is another big potential. This is more of a spiker. It doesn't really put in like decent moves up like each side. It's a lot of back and forth. So just watch on that. All right, that's it for tonight. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Trade ideas in my link. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Feel free to leave a comment, questions about stocks, or any of your thoughts on the stocks. Whatever you want to do, comment, and I appreciate it. That's it. Have a good night and a good day tomorrow. Peace.